to the Arc Gaming HD series on how to improve your graphical quality in your games. Part 1 is the Nvidia control panel settings. Now just be aware that with different drivers this changes, and right now with driver version 496.76 I don't like the way they're doing it. I think it's absolutely horrible the way they're doing it, but we're going to work with what we have. And just be aware also, if you're an AMD user, the other parts of this series will help you, and they will be in the description. If they're not in the description right now, it's because those videos haven't been released quite yet. Now, I just want to say I personally do not enjoy the method that we're about to use, especially with the current driver update that they have. They got rid of some features in there, and hopefully they'll bring it back with future updates. But as of driver 496.76, this is what we have to work with. So right click on your desktop, open up Nvidia control panel, and in this particular driver 496.76, it's at the top under image scaling. I absolutely hate the way they've done it. Let's hope they revert back to the old method. As you can see, image scaling is off right now. This will be a comparison between image scaling being off and on. Now for this comparison, I've decided to use Cyberpunk 2077. So let's get right into it. This is the comparison with image scaling completely off.
Welcome back. So, you ready? Rogue should be here any minute.
Okay, I'm ready. About fucking time.
Look a little different. Fuss with your hair, or...
Fuck, it's good to be back.
Never knew you'd gone off somewhere. What's your poison?
Now to turn it on, right click on your desktop, go to Nvidia control panel, and as before, image scaling should be at the top. So I'm going to turn image scaling on here. I'm going to go for about 40%, I think. Just because, you know, this is a universal. This is going to apply sharpening to everything on your PC. Now the old method, which I preferred, is you could customize the individual games from the Nvidia control panel. Or you could just do it universally from the global settings. And I hope Nvidia brings that back, because that was a far better method. You could get rid of the graininess that comes from sharpening the image. Now you'll notice everything on the screen is a lot sharper. This is why I don't like this method.
Welcome back.
And it's a bit more grainy as well. Depending on your personal monitor settings, it's a lot more grainy.
Ready? Rogue should be
So
here
this is
any
part
minute.
1 on how you can use the image scaling feature to get this kind of sharpening and clarity in your games.
About fucking time.
Look a little different. Fuss with your hair, or...
Fuck, it's good to be back.
Never knew you'd gone off somewhere. What's your poison?